Hey travel enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on a virtual trip to one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur. First off, let's dive into a bit of history. Completed in 1998, these twin towers were the tallest buildings in the world until 2004. Designed by Argentine architect Cesar Pelli, they stand at a whopping 451.9 meters. Now let's talk architecture. The towers are a blend of modern design and Islamic art. The floor plan is based on a simple Islamic geometric shape, two interlocking squares forming an eight-pointed star. This symbolizes unity, harmony, stability, and rationality. But that's not all. The towers are connected by a skybridge on the 41st and 42nd floors. Fun fact, it's not attached to the main structure. Instead, it's designed to slide in and out of the towers to prevent it from breaking during high winds. The towers house a mix of offices, conference halls, a huge shopping mall, and even a concert hall. And don't forget the observation deck on the 86th floor, offering breathtaking views of Kuala Lumpur. So, what's new? Recently, there have been upgrades to the lighting system, making the towers even more dazzling at night. Plus, the surrounding KLCC Park has added more attractions and facilities for visitors. Quick tip: if you're planning a visit, try to go early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid the crowds and enjoy the stunning city views in peace. And there you have it, a mini tour of the Petronas Twin Towers, a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of Malaysia's rapid development. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel insights and adventures.